What's up YouTube, this is your boy Jimmy Boy Maple back at you with another video, and in today's video I have a double pickup for you guys. This one's for the women followers, or for the women fan that watched the video, also for the men that like shoes that are for women, like the Air Jordan ones. A lot of us out there also have a lot of men have smaller feet just like me, and so we are able to cop both men and women. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I want to talk more about the shoe. I want to show you guys the shoe. I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I did pick this shoe up from Toronto Eden Center, Nike, and they have a social media page, and you are able to safely pick up shoes from them, even though we are in a lockdown in Toronto during the pandemic. But this is something that's really cool that they're doing, and I really appreciate it, and a huge shout out to them for that. So first off, we're going to take a quick look at the low, obviously, because this is something that I wasn't expecting to pick up. While I was going to pick up that shoe, the mid shoe that you see over there, and some other shoes for men, I'm going to do a part 2 of this video as well, which will feature the men pickup. This is the women's pickup that I picked up, but they just posted this today, and I was able to get my hands on these. And what's funny is that they're not even being, this one's not even being sold on StockX. Like it's being sold on Goat for a pretty high price. I would say like 300 Canadian dollars, and the retail for this is $120, which is awesome. But I like this shoe a lot, and I want you guys to take a look at the shoe. I wish I had taken the shoes. I picked up this shoe in my size, which is 9.5 women, but I picked up an 8.5. It was a quick decision I had to make, and I regret not picking up the shoe in my size, but I'm glad to still have it in my collection. So for this one, the official name is the Air Jordan 1 Low Canyon Rust. Now, it's called Canyon Rust because it has this rusty and earthy kind of look, but it's all in all, it's a really cool look. Has multi layers, and I mean there's multi layers, there's multi material. I would say there's nubuck and suede that's used on the shoe. So we'll start off with the bottom of the shoe. The bottom of the shoe is white, as you can see. The midsole is white as well. And as we go up, we get to look at the panels. Panel over here, the mid panel has this rustic kind of color, like a burnt red kind of color. And same thing goes to the toe box area as well. And for the panel over here, it's more like a pink kind of colorway. Same thing for the back over here, the heel tab area. It has the same kind of pink color, and this material is nubuck, and nubuck over here as well. As you look at the eyelid area over here, this is made out of this purple kind of this suede, which is really nice. Same for the toe box, toe guard area, I would say. It has a suede material over here. Purple flat laces. There's a neon orange 23 embroidered over here, and the tongue is made out of nylon with a black Jumpman. And the lace, I'm not sure if I mentioned, it is made out of leather, but when you look at it visually, it has that black denim kind of look. So inside the shoe, you have the lining is in purple, like this burnt red again, the rustic color, and the inner sole, if you guys can see, is in black with an orange Jumpman. So really cool looking shoe. Really glad to have this in my collection. And we'll move on to the next shoe, which is the mid that I picked up. I want to show you guys. And this one's called the Air Jordan 1 University Gold, white with perforated leather. So as you can see, the entire of the shoe is made out of this perforated white leather, which I really like and I dig. And again, I regret not buying this shoe in my size, because I mean, they have a 9.5. So I mean, I would have been able to cop a pair in my size, but I wasn't able to. But it is what it is. But if you guys are able to, then I'll say go ahead and cop it. For this particular shoe, pretty much the bottom is in black. If you take a look at the panels over here, the midsole's in white, the mid panel is in white leather, there's a black swoosh, and the panels over here are in perforated white leather, which goes all the way, like the entire the shoe pretty much, the back, the heel tab, And then over here you have University Gold, and in University Gold over here with the Air Jordan logo in black, looks really cool. The front of the shoe over here, toe box, University Gold again. Jumpman logo in yellow, University Gold again, and the laces are black flat laces that come standard with all Air Jordan 1 mids for women's. So really cool. And inside the shoe, the lining, the shoe is in black, and again you have a black inner sole with golden Jumpman inside. So this is an awesome pickup as well, and I'm glad to have both of these in my collection. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that little clip with the closer look at both the shoes. It got darker, so I was trying to rush the video, but it is winter, so it is what it is. But on a side note, I did want to talk about copying the shoes. So right now for manual users like me, because I don't have a bot, the only way to cop shoe is by following these stores, these Nike retail stores on social media, on Instagram, and trying to purchase the shoe through them. So that's one way that you can buy the shoe if you want to buy the shoe manually. And for me in general, out of these two pickups, this is the one that I like the most, only because of the way it looks. This perforated leather all over the shoe looks really cool in my opinion, something that I don't have in my collection, and the leather quality is not bad as well. So for women, like Jordan, you guys did so much. You guys always come out with fire shoes for women. I think there's so much injustice here in my opinion, but this is an awesome pickup for 150 Canadian dollars, which should be 120 US dollars. So must pick up. As far as the low is concerned, I like the look of the low as well. Very unique look, this rusty kind of look. What strikes out for me the most is the swoosh with this black denim kind of look. I really like this a lot. Only thing that I don't like about the shoe is the bottom white, which will get dirty quickly, but that's something it can be overlooked, because when you look at the entire look of the shoe, it kind of justifies it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the pickup today. I'll be back with another video, part 2, like I said, for the men's pickup that I did this week, and show you guys what I picked up. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and wherever you guys are watching this video from. Thank you so much for your support and for your subscription. Take care of yourself, guys. The pandemic is almost over, that's all I can say, but take care, God bless, and peace out.